Hello, my name is Larry Martin and I'm a solutions consultant with Beyond 20. Today I want to show you how to set expert timeouts for inactive users inside of your Cherwell system. Now, to do this, the first thing you'll want to do is open your administrative client. You'll then go to Security and Edit Security Settings. From here, come down to the desktop client, and on this page, we want to come down here and check the box to log out inactive users from Cherwell client. Now, as you can see, this says 5 minutes. Well, in 5 minutes, that user that had been inactive would get logged out. And you can change this to 30 minutes or whatever time you want it to be. Now, next, you see that we have a warning period. So if we bring that warning period into play, we say 5 minutes, this does not work the way some of you may believe it does. When I first saw this, I thought that my client or user was going to get logged out after 30 minutes of inactivity, and at 25 minutes we would give them a 5-minute warning. That is not how this works. The way it actually works is these are cumulative. So we have a inactive user. At 30 minutes, they are then given a 5-minute warning period. So they're not actually logged out of the system until 35 minutes after they started being inactive. So the way to read this is more like wait for 30 minutes of inactivity, then give an additional 5-minute warning period. And obviously you can change this to whatever number you feel is appropriate. You could have a 30-minute log out with a 30-minute warning. You could bring that back down to 5. But if you wanted them logged out after 30 minutes of inactivity, you would set it as such. That way, 25 minutes in, we will then give you 5 minutes of warning time. And the warning is a banner Windows modal that'll show up here saying you've been inactive for 25 minutes. You will be logged out soon. The log out statement does not track how long this number is. It's simply a generic you will be logged out soon. Then you would OK that, and that would be set. I'm going to cancel because I don't have a timeout on this demo system. The other thing we want to look at is under Security, Licensing. If a client stops responding, auto-release the license after X minutes. This way, if this is in case the client hangs up or they've closed a window but the connection didn't get closed properly, etc. And so this will release the license so that you don't have license counts where you've got John in there and John's been away from his computer for 2 hours, and so your license is consumed. This is kind of important, especially with concurrent licensing. That way, if a client crashes, they log out but it didn't release the license, you can use this setting to make sure that you release those licenses, and would definitely recommend that you set this. Anyhow, I hope this information has been useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We produce videos every week to help show you different bits of the system. If you have a particular question, you can email us, tweet us, or post a comment in the channel, and someone will respond to you, and or we will create a video showing what you want us to do.